Alright, picture this, you've finally signed up for the Robinhood Cash Card. You're ready to ditch those annoying ATM fees, snag those sweet weekly rewards, and simplify your spending. But then, you hit a snag. The physical card is still in the mail. You're left wondering, can I actually use this thing right now? Or am I stuck twiddling my thumbs until that little piece of plastic shows up? If you've asked yourself that very question, you're definitely not alone. It's a common point of confusion for new Robinhood Cash Card users. And honestly, it's a valid concern. We live in a world of instant gratification, and waiting for a physical card in the age of digital wallets feels a bit archaic. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty and get you some answers. First, let's establish a baseline. What exactly is the Robinhood Cash Card? It's essentially a debit card linked to your Robinhood brokerage cash account. It allows you to spend your uninvested cash directly, earn weekly rewards on eligible purchases, and access your funds at ATMs worldwide. It's designed to bridge the gap between your investments and your everyday spending, and it's a pretty compelling offering. Now, the core question, can you use it before the physical card arrives? The short answer is yes, with some caveats. And those caveats are where things get interesting. Robinhood provides a virtual card number immediately upon approval. This virtual card is accessible within the Robinhood app, and it functions much like a physical card in the digital realm. It has its own unique card number, expiration date, and CVV code. This allows you to make online purchases, add it to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and even use it for some in-store purchases via contactless payment. Think of it like this, the virtual card is the digital twin of your physical card. It's born first, ready to roll, while its physical counterpart is still making its way through the postal system. So, how do you access this virtual card? It's pretty straightforward. You simply open the Robinhood app, navigate to the Cash Card section, and you should find your virtual card details readily available. From there, you can copy the card number and other information and use it for online transactions. But, and this is a crucial but, the virtual card's functionality is primarily limited to online and digital wallet transactions. You can't, for example, walk into a restaurant and swipe a virtual card. You can't use it at a gas pump that requires a physical card dip. This is where the physical card becomes essential. It's your bridge to the physical world, enabling you to use your Robinhood Cash for everyday purchases at stores, restaurants, and anywhere else that accepts debit cards. Now, let's talk about the digital wallet integration. This is where the virtual card really shines. Adding your Robinhood Cash Card to Apple Pay or Google Pay allows you to make contactless payments at terminals that support these services. This essentially transforms your smartphone into your debit card, enabling you to make in-store purchases without needing the physical card. However, even with digital wallets, there are limitations. Some merchants may not accept contactless payments, or their terminals might be experiencing technical difficulties. In these situations, you'll need the physical card. Another important point to consider is the security aspect. Using a virtual card can actually be more secure than using a physical card in some cases. If your virtual card details are compromised, you can easily generate a new virtual card number within the Robinhood app without affecting your physical card or your linked cash account. This adds a layer of security that's particularly valuable for online purchases. However, it's crucial to remember that you should still take precautions when using your virtual card. Avoid sharing your card details with untrusted websites or individuals, and always monitor your transactions for any suspicious activity. Now, let's address some common questions that people have about using the Robinhood Cash Card before the physical card arrives. One frequently asked question is, can I withdraw cash from an ATM using the virtual card? The answer is no. ATM withdrawals require a physical card. You'll need to wait for your physical card to arrive before you can access cash from ATMs. Another common question is, how long does it typically take for the physical card to arrive? Robinhood estimates that it can take up to 7 to 10 business days for the physical card to arrive after approval. However, this can vary depending on factors such as postal service delays and your location. If you're concerned about the status of your physical card, you can track its delivery within the Robinhood app. The app provides updates on the shipping status and estimated delivery date. Now, let's discuss some strategies for maximizing the benefits of your Robinhood Cash Card even before the physical card arrives. First, take advantage of the virtual card for online purchases. If you have any online subscriptions or recurring bills, consider using your virtual card to pay for them. This allows you to start earning weekly rewards and simplifying your spending right away. Second, add your virtual card to your digital wallet. This enables you to make contactless payments at a wide range of merchants, effectively bridging the gap between the virtual and physical worlds. Third, familiarize yourself with the Robinhood Cash Card's features and benefits. Take some time to explore the app and learn about the weekly rewards program, ATM fee reimbursements, and other perks. This will help you make the most of your card once the physical version arrives. Fourth, set up direct deposit. By setting up direct deposit to your Robinhood brokerage cash account, you can ensure that you have funds available to spend with your cash card. This is particularly important if you plan to use the card for everyday expenses. Now, let's talk about the potential drawbacks of relying solely on the virtual card. The primary drawback is the limited functionality in the physical world. As mentioned earlier, you can't use the virtual card at merchants that require a physical card dip or swipe. This can be inconvenient if you frequently shop at small businesses or restaurants that don't accept contactless payments. Finally, some merchants may have limitations or restrictions on using virtual cards for certain types of transactions. So, to summarize, yes, you can use your Robinhood Cash Card before the physical card arrives, thanks to the virtual card. It's a great way to start earning rewards and simplifying your spending in the digital realm. But you'll need the physical card for full functionality, especially for in-person purchases and ATM withdrawals. The virtual card is a fantastic tool for online transactions and digital wallet integration, but it's not a complete replacement for the physical card. It's a stepping stone, a way to get started while you wait for the real deal. It's about understanding the strengths and limitations of both the virtual and physical cards. Knowing when to use each one will help you maximize the benefits of your Robinhood Cash Card. And remember, the physical card will eventually arrive, and then you'll have the best of both worlds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.